Hi students, it's me Harsnath Sukla, and today in class 10 I am going to revise the last week lectures. That means whatever I taught in last week, that means from Monday to Friday, we have to revise it. So in class 10 we in last week we started construction, and before that some questions based on circles we had already see. So now I'm going to revise the construction. So in construction, first construction is division of line segment. Division of line segment in given ratio. In given ratio. Okay. This is division of line segment in the given ratio. The first one, in this also there are two parts. First A, division of line segment. Division of line segment in given ratio internally, and the second one is B is division of line segment in given ratio externally. So there are two sections. First one is we have to divide the line segment in the given ratio internally and externally. So please note it down. Then after we start construction. Okay, so we have to see the first one, division of line segment internally, by taking an example. So write down this example. Determine a point which divides a line segment 10 centimeter long, a line segment 10 centimeter long, internally in the ratio 2:3. Internally in the ratio 2:3. Okay, so here we draw the construction, and here you write the steps of construction. So I am just going to draw and just recite the steps of construction, so you have to note it down. So first thing what we can do, we have to find a line segment 10 mm. That means step 1, draw a line 10 centimeter long. So first we draw a line 10 centimeter long AB. So this line segment AB is 10 centimeter long. Okay. First we draw the 10 centimeter long line segment AB. Then from B or A, which one you choose, draw any ray making an acute angle BAC. So from A we make an acute angle and draw angle BAX. What we draw? Angle BAX. Making an acute angle, we draw BAX. Okay. Making an acute angle, we draw ray BAX such that BAX is an acute angle. Okay. Now, what is the ratio? 2:3. That means 2 plus 3. That means 5. So we draw A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 such that we draw A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5 such that A1, A2 is equal to A2, A3, A1, A2 is equal to A2, A3 is equal to A3, A4 is equal to A4, A5. So we just draw this. Okay. And then after we have to draw a parallel line. Okay. We have to draw a parallel line A2P to A5B. Okay. First we join A5B, okay, and draw a parallel line to A2C. A2C. Which one is the A2C? Parallel to A5B. Parallel to A5B. See? A2C is the parallel to A5B. So C is the point which divides the line segment. So C is the point which divides the line segment AB in 2:3. So please note it down, then external division. Okay. Okay, so see another example which is external division. So write down, first you write down the question and then after we construct the external division. Okay. So determine a point which divides the line segment 6 centimeter. Question is divide the line segment, a line segment, divide a line segment, determine a point which divides, determine a point which divides, sorry, determine a point which divides, determine a point which divides, a line segment 6 centimeter long, divides a line segment, okay, 6 centimeter long, 6 centimeter long, externally in the ratio 5:3, externally in the ratio 5:3. Okay, so see the construction as well as you have to write the steps of construction. So first is, we draw a 6 centimeter line AB, a line AB which is 6 centimeter, okay, and draw any ray making angle BAX with AB. So the same process, draw an acute angle BAX, okay, BAX. Along AX, mark of 5 points. Which one is the greater? 5 is greater, so 5 points on AX such that A1, A2 is equal to A2, A3, A3, A4 and A5. Okay? Such that A1, A2 is equal to A2, A3, A3, 4. Okay? Join the point A2, that means 5 minus 3, with end point B. Okay? And after that, join A2 with end point B. Okay? Why? Because 5 minus 3 is 2. So this is the point second, that means A2 is joined from the B. And also draw a line parallel to A to B from A5. Okay? Draw a line parallel to A to B from A5. Suppose, and how will we know this is parallel? You know very well. The same angle you have to draw here, okay? Whatever the angle, you have to draw the same angle, okay? Parallel to A5 and join BP, okay? A5 longer among the ratio which meets AB proceed to P. The point P is so obtained is the, so the point P is required point. That means P divides externally line AB such that in the ratio 5:3. Okay. So note it down, and afterwards in next lecture, Monday onwards, we have live classes. So in this classes we start construction of triangle. So thank you very much. Okay, you may complete this one also. So thank you.